Everyone. So today's topic is switch statement. Like if else if statement, there is one more statement called switch statement. All the programs, what do you do in if else if can't be rewritten using switch statement, but some of the if else if programs can be written by using switch statement, which will be still easy compared to the if else if statement. So let us go through this switch statement. C++ has a built-in multiple branch selection statement called switch. This successfully tests the value of an expression against a list of integer or character constants. When a match is found, the statements associated with that constant are executed. This is the syntax of switch statement. So switch is a keyword. Inside the parenthesis, you have to write expression. And kindly note no semicolon at the end of switch line. Opening brace. Case is a keyword. Case is a keyword. Label 1 will be defined by the user. It may be in numbers or it may be in characters. And there is a colon followed by that label 1. And the statements, what do you want to execute when the expression has a value which is equal to the value specified at label 1. In such case, all the statements present in the case label 1 section will get executed, and at the end, break keyword will be executed. The break keyword is there for every switch, every case section. See, case label 2, statement 2, break. Similarly, any number of cases you can define. For every case, you should have break. So here, what is the significance of writing break keyword? Assume that you have written totally 10 cases plus 1 default. Assume that you have selected 7th case. So what happens? The expression, whatever value is there, if it is getting matched with the 7th case, then the statements present in that 7th case will be executed. Then break means it will come out from the switch statement. Once after completing the execution of that particular case, it will come out from the switch statement and it will continue with the remaining part of the program. Suppose if break keyword is not written for all these cases, assume that you have selected second one, statements present in second case will be executed. After that, break keyword, if it is not there, it will continue with the case 3. If case 3 is not having break, after executing case 3, it will go to the case 4. So to avoid this kind of problem, so break is very important. Suppose the value present in the expression, if it is not getting matched with any of the value present in the cases, any of the values provided in the cases, then in the default section, whatever the statement you have written, that will be executed. And default is the last section written in the switch statement. Hence, the break keyword is not written because after executing default, it will go out automatically from the switch statement. So break is not required. But if you are writing break for default, then no issue. whether you are writing or not writing, right? So it will be remain same only for the default section. Remember, default is a keyword. Default will not be having any label. Only default will be there. Default is like else, the last only else section in the if else if statement. That is what the switch statement. So this is the flow chart for indicating or depicting the syntax of switch statement. So here is expression. If it is equal to 1, statement 1 will be executed and continues with the remaining statement. And the same thing is there for all the thing and even for the default. So they have given that explanation. Kindly check it out. The same explanation I have given now. Now here you see program to display. There are some programs based on switch statement. Program to display a day number in a week using switch statement. That means your input is going to be day number and the program will display the corresponding weekday name. So into day number, then enter the day, number of the week, see in day number. The day number entered by you, it is in the switch statement. If it is equal to 1, you will get Sunday, then endl break. If it is 2, you'll get Monday, 3, you'll get Tuesday. Assume that you have entered 3. You will get Tuesday because of break, directly it will come out. Think that you are not given break for all these cases. So what happens? You ask only for the weekday name of 3, but it will display all the weekday names from Tuesday to invalid day number if break keyword is not specified. Suppose the number entered by you, if it is other than 1 to 7, then it displays a message invalid day number. Right. See, they have entered 5, so they got Thursday. They have entered 10, which is wrong number. So they'll get a message invalid day. Let us see some more programs based on this switch statement through online compiler. So now this, what we are doing is, we are doing menu-oriented program. As in the last class I said, say I'm writing some 3 country names: India, Japan, Russia. Our intention is to display this menu, ask for the choice entered by the user. As per this choice, some message has to be displayed. To do this, I'm taking one variable called choice. Using cout, I'm displaying the menu slash 1 for India, slash 2 for Japan, slash 3 for USA. Okay. Then cout, enter your choice. C choice. So we are displaying the menu. We are asking for the choice. What we do? Switch. Our number is present in the choice. Here I'll say case 1. The possible numbers which are going to be entered by the user are 4. 1, 2, 3, or any other number apart from 1, 2, 3. So I should write 3 cases. If 1, that means if you have entered a choice as 1, that means you have selected our country name, India. So we'll display India is good in culture and fastest developing country in the world. So one sentence about our country and we'll say break. And we'll have case 2. Suppose if they have entered Japan, we'll say see out, say good in technology. Break. Case 3, if they have selected Russia, Russia, see out, good friend of India. Break. Here Poland should come. So if they are entering any number other than 1, 2, 3, then this message will come. So it is invalid choice. Break is not mandatory. Let us execute. See that it is showing you the menu. 1 for India, 2 for Japan, 3 for US, Russia. I'll say 1. So India is good in culture and fastest developing country in the world. Let us execute. We'll have choice 2, good in technology. Again, run. Then enter 3, the good friend of India. Once again, execute. Give some number other than 1, 2, 3. You will get a message, invalid choice. Okay. So like this, you can try for several programs. Instead of the country name, you take any city names. For example, Indian tourism. You take all the major Indian tourist places of India and write messages about those cities, what is special in that particular city. You can write different fruit names and you can have a message related to that every fruit, what vitamin, protein is there in that fruit. You can write vegetable names and the same you can write. And you can write some like authors, famous author names, and you can give some information about those authors, right? Like this, several programs you can try based on this. One more program. Say we have area of circle. Area of triangle. Area of rectangle. Okay. So let us change the meaning. First one is area of circle. Second one, area of triangle. Third one, area of rectangle. Enter your choice. Once they enter the choice, here what we do is, here I'll take one variable, float area, one common variable. Once when they select the first choice, it is, that means they have selected area of circle. Selection. Now see out will say the inputs for area of circle is R pi R square. In that formula, enter the value for R. And here we'll declare the variable. In C++, variable can be declared anywhere. So we'll say C in R. We'll write the formula area equal to 3.142 is the value of pi R into R. If you want, you can use POW also. Now the same thing I'll do for triangle also. So it is area of triangle and we'll say C out, enter the value for here, there's one capital letter changed. Enter the value for triangle B half into B into H. So B and H, these are the two inputs. We'll declare those variables here only. And then C in B H. We'll write the formula area equal to 0.5 into B into H and break. Now we'll say area of a rectangle. And here int L comma B, you can declare in advance. See out. Variables can be declared anywhere in the program before its first use. Do not get confused. First I wrote C out, then I wrote in. Now I am writing it, then I am writing C out. All it is same. Before C in, it should be present. Right. So we'll say enter the value for L and B. C in L, B. So formula area equal to L into B. And then after the switch, outside the switch, here what we do, C out area equal to area. Fine. So initially I'll just initialize with 0.0 so that if they have entered any wrong choice, area let it display it as 0.0. Okay. Now let us check. Redeclaration of variable B because B is already declared here. So we'll remove this variable from here. Let us see. It will consider my choice is first. That is area of circle. It will display. And asking the value for R, so I'll enter 2. Area is 12.568. And run. This time I'll enter 3 area of rectangle. Now I'll enter 2 numbers. See there, 5, 6 are 30. So fine. Like this also, if you want, you can take a snap of this. So this kind of program you can try. Similarly, you can try for perimeter, volume, surface area problems based on this technique. So to get good grip on writing programs based on switch statement. Okay. So this is all about switch statement. Next class we'll continue with iterative statements. Okay. Thank you. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.